So as PurpleSynapz, as I said, in cybersecurity, we are now, okay, so this is what we have talked about, what you can do, what is needed by the industry. How now I'll talk about how we can contribute to this success story of yours, and what does PurpleSynapz can help you to get into this particular field, right? So we are basically a product-based company. We are having our own cyber range product. So Cyber Range is basically a breach and attack simulation platform wherein you can have all kind of live attack and breaches, and then you have the live defense also. So this is basically a platform where you can learn the attack and defending skill sets. And we proudly say, because throughout world there are only 12 to 13 companies which are having their own cyber range. We have our own cyber range solution designed by our own people, developed, and it is currently being consumed by all different customers in government and private sector. And by virtue of our cyber range product, we are working on to the upskilling of the people also. Okay, so we are building the skill set via cyber range product solution. We are located in Bangalore. Um, and this is what we do, like a product development, research plus training to B2A, B2B, B2C customers. And then recently we have started resource consulting services as well, wherein like we are working with different companies for supplying the resources only in cybersecurity. Okay, so that's why I have the overall full picture of it, and I can give the complete exposure of or to the extent whatever I know, at least I can give you, or I can guide you on those all these areas. Okay, so here we were the first organization which started pay after placement. You can search about it. PurpleSynapz was the first which started pay after placement program in cybersecurity around 6 years ago. So and till now we had maybe till last two batches we had 100% placement record. We got ranked among top 12 to 13 companies globally for our cyber range product solution, which I said already, and we take pride in sharing it because we are working with very some key customers also whose names cannot be disclosed on this call, but uh, by virtue of this product we are there, and it's a proud moment for us, and I just wanted to highlight that, right? So these are our corporate customers where either we have provided our trainings or our product or our resources. This is where we have worked as of now in last 6-7 years. These are our corporate clients. Here on the left side, you can see, and here on the hiring partner side, you can see the people where we have provided the resources via our different offerings. Okay. So here I would say with this, what I want to say is stop chasing jobs because every company is looking for the top skill talent. And we are talking about these skills again and again. But again, I just wanted to reiterate, do not just look for the job. Look for a specific job which you would be enjoying it. Otherwise, you would be losing your journey sooner than you planned for it. Okay. Industry is very cruel. It can get you out at any point of time if you'll not perform to its expectation. And so all these points, what I'm just saying is for your benefit, stop chasing jobs. Work on to the right jobs, right skills, which you enjoy and which can get you into the system first, in which you can survive for longer duration and you can build your career. That has to be your three-step approach, which you need to think today. Okay, so now this everyone is talking about. I am not the new one. I just wanted to highlight this point. If you go ahead and search on Google, Google shows 1,000 ways to learn cybersecurity. Minimum. Lakhs of search pages you'll get if you go ahead and search where to start. Correct. But nobody will tell where exactly you have to start. That's the problem. It's an ocean and you have to get one drop of it, right? Or one bucket of water, you have to get it for your survival. correct? But nobody is telling you how. And we can show you what is the right path. That's what I'm going to talk about in my next slide. So as part of PurpleSynapz, our course was once in 2020 got ranked as one of the top 10 cybersecurity courses in India. And I just want to tell all of you, we started this course in 2018, right? So in 2018, in just 2 years, we got ranked as one of the top 10 cybersecurity course providers in India. And there's a magazine called as Analytics India magazine. They keep on doing their research, and they did on their own, like no, because we were very small that time, and we did not had to fund any any kind of articles. So they did their this research on their own. They published this, and we were the first to get listed into the cybersecurity field. That's what is our background. Okay. Here are some of our testimonial videos on our YouTube. Probably you can go ahead and search it if you want to. There are some of the candidates whom we have placed, and they got placed as well in different companies via our some placement guaranteed program which we run or which we are running from last 6 years. Probably you can watch if you want.